Silver against US dollar this week has fell in value. We can see that the price has started the week here with this bearish candle where the price has reached a support level at 30.597. From here the price formed then a bullish pin bar right here at the support level with indication of the further rise in value, and the price has returned back up, reaching the first supply zone at resistance area here at 31.21. And from here the price has plummeted in value. We can see the price formed this bearish candle. This bearish candle, which means a bearish also breakout below this 30.59. This was also indication of the further decline in value, and we can see that the price has reached the next support level 29. These breakouts also on the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame, I have shared with the Trading Inside Telegram group, where they have received information when the breakout happened with the target at this level here, and also bullish breakout at this level here. So after that the price formed another bullish pin bar, but this bullish pin bar has been formed at the supply zone very close to this resistance level, so it is not very good indication of bullish momentum. We can see that the price on Friday tried to make a bullish breakout above, but it has returned back down. Week has closed as a bearish candle, and we can see it is a bearish breakout below 30.59 on the weekly time frame. A month is currently acting as a bearish candle. So how the month will close in the next 2 weeks, I will not make any conclusions, but as it looks right now, highly probable that the price will go further down in value. On the weekly time frame, it is a bearish breakout which needs to be confirmed next week in order to lose its value again, going to 28.62. Will that happen? We'll see on the daily time frame, but as it looks right now, the price should not return above 30.59 in order to continue to lose its value. But if it returns next week above, this will be a failed bearish breakout indicating further rise in value. The daily time frame is much more better to watch because we can see much more close value where the price is bouncing. Currently we have a bearish candle formed here where the price is close below this very important support level on the lower level, and we can see on the 4-hour time frame that this level will be 30.148. If the price goes below this price level, we can see that here this will be indication of the further decline in value, where the next target will be 29.66. With this breakout, if that happens, I will share that with the traders inside Telegram group so they are informed. But the daily time frame currently shows me further decline in value, so this is something that I am expecting. As the first target, I will watch that the price will be around 30 level, and then the next one will be 29.66. So for now I am bearish oriented, so this is the target for the next week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.